60 seconds you need to know before you go, Jon Najarian. Here's what's going on, folks. We've got Avis, which is symbol CAR, C-A-R. They crushed earnings. They are higher by 23 cents. They're higher by 11% after a 23-cent beat. Bang! Take a look at stamps.com, 39% to the upside. Oh my gosh. They beat on top and bottom line, but that is a heck of an endorsement for stamps.com. E-Trade, they of course got a bid from Morgan Stanley that pushes the valuation up dramatically into the 13, almost 14 billion range. Watch that one. E-Trade up 30%, Morgan Stanley down 4%. And NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Lines, they beat by 3 cents, but they say full year is going to be really challenging because of Corona. I'm Jon Najarian. Check out marketrebellion.com/Vegas 2020. That's marketrebellion.com/Vegas 2020.